I would think that they would just be hopefully okay for a 400 amp and even a 200 amp, because most people, if you have a 2-car garage, your bigger things that you're adding to your houses now are electric vehicles. Besides people adding mini splits as well, because they want to keep their electric cars cooler. So that's another one that we go out and deal with. But yeah, the 200 amp panels are great, because there a lot of times those things are being ran at different times than other components in your house. So you have, when you're cooking dinner and different things that way, you're typically not charging a vehicle. So they're at an off-peak hour when you're sleeping even. So it's really just your ACs running. So there's a lot of different things going that way. But I think we shouldn't be adding too much more. I don't know what else you could add.